how to save your work in Canva. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now I am inside my Canva account right here and I have all of these works or designs. Now from here you can just go ahead and navigate through a design that you want to save into. Now in my case I'll just go ahead and click on one of my designs or works right here. Once inside the design, you can just go ahead and click on the share button at the top right corner of your screen. From here, we then have the ability to download this design to our computer. But if you click on the see all button, we then have multiple ways to save this design. We can upload it into our Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft PowerPoint, and more. You can also go ahead and share it into your social medias if you want to. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.